Hey there friends and welcome to JP's workshop. I am Janil Patel and today is 15th August. So first of all, happy Independence Day to all of my Indian friends. And today we are going to unbox the Boult Audio Airbass True 5 Pro. Yes, it is an Indian product, but though the manufacturing units have not yet shifted to India and the product is made in China. I am slightly down about that, but yes, we should give Indian companies some time to shift their manufacturing units to India and start their Make in India process. So till then, we should not boycott them because they are though Indian companies. Yes, here is the Boult Airdopes 441, which I recently bought around 10-15 days ago, and this is kind of a similar product. So in this unboxing video, I'll also do a quick comparison between the both of them. So stay tuned and watch the full video if you are confused to buy this one or the Airdopes 441. So yes, here are our Airbass True 5 Pro from Boult Audio, and let's quickly unbox this.
Keeping the hazardous things aside.
Let's open the box. Oh wow, nicely packed. This is just a visiting card kind of thing. User manual and a catalog kind of thing. I saw the same thing in the board. Oh wow, the packing is rugged. It is like rubberish plastic material. Very nice feel is here. I feel like holding my Moto G1, which I used around in 2014. Accessories pack. Here is the USB to micro USB cable. The package is very low quality. This is the packing where Indian people share sweets in temple. This is also not of a great quality plastic. It's rubber but feels like plastic. Also the shades and colors are not too good. This color is slightly nice, but this feels very cheap. Yes, these are of good quality, the extra rubber tips. So now let's see the real product inside. Oh wow, they have also third color inside. That's nice. Also here there is plastic so that the box or the case battery doesn't drain down, but the magnet is not quite good. So let's see what lights are going on. Oh my god, here is the button. This thing I don't like, because when you push down the button, you push these pods into your ear and that hurts too hard. So let's experience this and then I'll tell you in detail that how I felt about it, and also compare this with my Boult Airdopes 441, which is here. This is a quite nice small box, and see, the light is good, the feel is good, the magnet is also good. Go Oh, the case is harder. I need to do this for the case. Also, it is very huge, so I cannot carry this in the pocket. I need to have a bag to carry this. So I feel not so good about this. But let's not judge the book by its cover. Let's hear the sound and then compare both of them. So yes, I was listening to this song Sultan from the movie KGF, and the sound is quite good, but the bass is not that great, and the fitting is I think good, but they are like very huge, coming outside of my ear too much. If you can see or not, I don't know. Yes, you can see right here. The circumference is too weak, and this button thing, oh my god, I press the whole thing into my ear and it goes too much inside that I don't feel so good about. So they should have given the sensor instead of the button, because they are a very high price thing. They printed MRP is around 9,000 rupees, but my friend got for 3,000 on Amazon. I don't know if they are selling for 3,000, why they print so high price. In this boat also, they are selling for 2,500 and they have printed 6,000 rupees. Why they do so? Why? They print a greater price and then they tell that it is for discounts, go get it. I don't know why they do so. So yes, let's quickly compare my boat earphones. Wow, these earphones are great. As soon as I pop them out and just wore in my ears, they just played the song. The beats are more clearer on this one. Also, the bass is great, and the case is also smaller than that earphones. Also, this is quick popping, and the earphones also go magnetically direct into it. I like this thing about these earphones. So to compare these two, I'll tell you that you should buy this Boult Airdopes 4 for 1 only, because that is not a great choice to make, because that comes for 3,000 rupees and the Boult 4 for 1 comes for only 2,000 rupees in the Amazon sale right now. Also, there is a new version of this one available right now, which is the Boult's 441 Pro. The Pro and this differ only at one place. They give a bigger case with a greater battery, and I think that is not too much worth. But yes, only for a 500 rupees extra you get huge battery life, then why not? So go for the Airdopes 4 for 1 Pro. If you like this video, go hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel JP's Workshop. Also share this video as much as possible with your friends and family. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. Peace.